Have you ever tried rice water before on your hair and you feel so disappointed and you have concluded that rice water is not working? Guys, the problem may be the way you fermented it and the way you apply it on your hair. So there are different ways it can ferment rice water, and also there are different ways it can use it. But on today's video, I will show you the shortest way it can use rice water to get that 10 times faster hair growth to solve those your hair problems. So if the video sound like what are interesting, keep on watching and make sure you watch the video to the end. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. This rice water I'm about to share with you is not your regular rice water. This rice water is totally different from the one you have been seeing. So please, I would advise you to watch this video to the end and also pay close attention to get the instruction and to know the perfect way to use it and also to prepare it so that you can get that 10 times faster result, and also it can help you to solve those your hair problems. Guys, believe me, after watching this video, you will never let down on rice water. Rice water will be your favorite. Rice water will be your best among best in your routine, okay? Our first ingredient is rice. Use any type of rice you have available. For the measurements, I use almost 1 cup of rice. Next is pour it into a bowl and pour in water into the rice to rinse it out. It's very important to rinse out the rice to remove dirty and impurities that come with the rice. So you can rinse yours once or twice. It depends on the type of rice you are using. I rinse mine only once. After rinsing it, I'll pour in another water. The water I pour in is warm water for fermentation process, okay? And I pour in enough water to cover up the rice very well so that I will have enough rice water. So next thing, I use this foil paper to cover it to keep it aside to ferment for 6 to 7 hours. After 6 to 7 hours, this is what we have so far. As you can see, the rice has swelling up, okay? So next thing is to bring another bowl to transfer the fermented rice water. This part or this step is very important because we want to get all the nutrients of this rice into the rice water, okay? So to achieve that, so you need a wider bowl so that it can rub your hand very well with the rice so that the rice can release the nutrients. So how can you know when the rice have released the nutrients? Once the rice water have color, make color like this, you know that it have released the nutrients, and this rice water now is very powerful, very effective, and very strong. So it only take you 5 to 7 minutes to achieve that, okay? After rubbing your hand on the rice water and your rice water have color this make, you dip your hand inside. You are not seeing your hand again. You know that the rice water is ready to extract out. So now the rice itself is useless because we have collect all the nutrients that come with the rice, okay? Now we can discard the rice and make use of the rice water. Please, if your rice water is not this make color, you have not gotten it, okay? Make sure your rice water is this make color so that to get that best results. So after that, I transfer the make color rice water into my jar container. Keep it aside. Moving on to our second and third ingredient is ginger and garlic. We need ginger and garlic into this rice water fermentation for that effective result, okay? Please don't skip any ingredient we are using in this video. It's very important. So I have already washed my ginger and garlic and I have peeled the garlic. As usual, I don't like peeling the skin of my ginger, okay? So what I'm doing now, I'm dicing them into a small cube, okay? So that they can be easy to release their nutrients into the rice water. So after dicing them, this is what we have so far. Moving on to our fourth ingredient is orange. We need orange peel. Orange peel is very important in this recipe because orange peel will help to enhance the smell of this rice water. Okay, so if you not add it orange peel, believe me, after the long time we are fermenting this rice water, it will make it to smell so horrible. So make sure you add orange peel for that best result. So I'm peeling off my orange peel, but before I peel off the orange peel, I've already washed it. Okay, so it's very important to wash it to remove dirty, dust and impurities. Okay, so after washing it, I use my knife now to peel the orange peel off, and I'm peeling it into a bowl that contain my garlic and ginger. So this is my orange peel, my garlic and my ginger into this bowl. So next thing now, I bring my jar contain my milk color rice water. So I just reduce it a little bit so that this my orange peel, my ginger and my garlic can enter into the jar. Okay, so I'm transferring them into this jar contain the rice water. After then, I'll pour in the rice water that I reduced earlier to fill in the jar back. Next thing now, I use my cover to cover it. Please make sure you cover it very tight so that air will not enter into this rice water to make your rice water not to smell so horrible or to spoil before the last day of the fermentation of this rice water. Please use something that have very tight cover to cover it, okay, for that best result. So we keep it away in a cool dark place to ferment for 5 good days. Yes, 5 good days. After fermenting it 5 good days, this is what we have so far. Do you see that the color have changed? It's not that plain white milk color. It have changed because of the orange peel, the garlic and the ginger have released their nutrients into the rice water, making this rice water super powerful, super effective and super strong. This rice water is not your regular rice water. Don't worry, there is shocking result in this rice water. I will tell you as this video progress. Okay, so what I did now, I bring my bowl and my shifter to collect my rice water. Now the orange peel, the ginger and the garlic, they are no longer needed, so I need to discard them. Now our rice water is ready to be used. Guys, this rice water will grow your hair like crazy, give you that longer, thicker, fuller hair you can ever imagine. So next thing is to bring my spray bottle to transfer some into the spray bottle for easy application. So to activate it more, if you have any essential oil, please feel free to drop in essential oil on it. Essential oils will also help to mask the smell of the rice water, the ginger and also the garlic on it, for those that don't like something smelly horrible. So if you don't mind, use this without essential oil, but if you like, you can add essential oil with it. If you add essential oil, believe me, you will never perceive any horrible smell of ginger or garlic or rice water into it. Okay, it will smell so amazing, so that will be very comfortable leaving this on your hair. Okay, so after then, the remaining jar, I did not add essential oil on it. I only add essential oil on the one that I'm using right now. Okay, so I'll keep the remaining jar away in the fridge, okay, until the day I will use it up. But for now, I will keep it in the fridge. Okay, so I'll show you the best way to prepare this powerful, effective, potent rice water. So next step and the most important step is how to use it. The secret about this powerful rice water is about to reveal, so keep on watching. Guys, remember I said earlier on this video that this particular rice water we are making today is not a regular rice water. Yes, this particular rice water is a leave-in conditioner. You don't need to wash it out of your hair. You don't need to rinse it out of your hair. You just need to allow this rice water to sit on your hair and give you that crazy results and give you that overnight hair growth. This rice water is for those that want to see faster results on their hair, that want to stop that breakage, that hair fall, that thinning hair, that want to boost their hair growth and see their hair growth change overnight. This rice water is for you, and you don't need to worry anything about bloating overload or thinning or breaking off your hair or whatsoever. So if you can patiently watch this video to the end to know the proper way to use it for that leave-in treatment, to avoid protein overload, also to avoid drying off your hair. So before we dive into that, let's talk about the benefit of this rice water on your hair first. Okay, rice water help your hair grow faster, wakes up your hair follicles and push out new growths, make hair stronger, reduce breakage so your hair grows longer, no shorts, reduce hair fall so that you keep more of the hair you already have, add shiner and smoothness, give your hair that natural glow and softness, keep the scalp healthy, stop dryness, itchiness, and make the perfect balance of the growth. Rice water make your hair grow faster, stronger and thicker. It stop breakage, reduce shedding, add shine and even heal your scalp. Honestly, it works like magic. There's no joke. This rice water works like magic. So now let me tell you the process you need to follow to get that good result without you having any after effects with this rice water. So how to use this rice water leave-in conditioner to get that best results? Make sure after applying it on your hair, make sure you follow up with your leave-in conditioner. Use a good leave-in conditioner. If you have hair butter, also follow up with your hair butter. And finally, use your hair growth oil to seal in the moisture. Second, make sure you massage your scalp properly. Scalp massage play a huge good role on this leave-in treatment. Okay, don't skip scalp massage. Okay, then after cover up your hair like 5 minutes 10 minutes and remove it. Allow your hair to air dry. Repeat this 3 to 4 times in a week. Believe me, you will never complain of slow hair growth. You will never complain of hair fall. You will never complain of hair breakage. You never complain of thinning hair. This will grow your hair like crazy, like crazy. That is no joke. Try it and you will be very happy you come across this video. Okay, so you can also use it as your final thin rinse. Okay, like after washing your hair, it should be last stage of your wash day. Pour it all over your hair, massage your scalp, then some minutes you can raise it out or leave it on your hair and follow up with your leave-in conditioner. If you want to go and put your hair in protective hairstyle, go ahead. Guys, you see a whole lot of different on your hair with this rice water. Use it 3 to 4 times in a week. You can use it straight for 2 months to 3 months, then give it a break like 1 month, go back again and use it. But before that 3 months, you'll be very shocked at the results. Your hair will be very thick for you to handle. No more hair breakage, no more thinning hair, no more hair fall. Especially if you have any of your problem areas you want to regrow, any of your hair problem area that is disturbing you, this rice water leave-in conditioner will help you to regrow it in a very short period of time. There's no joke. Please go ahead and prepare this rice water the same way I prepare it and apply it the same way I direct you. Believe me, your hair will grow more than you can ever imagine. So guys, I hope this video is very interesting. I hope you find this video very helpful. Please let me know in comment section below, have you ever tried rice water this way before? Let me know in comment section below. And if you have not tried it, please give it a try and come back and give me your feedback. This is tested and trusted. There's no guesskeeping, there's no capping. I'm telling the honest truth that this rice water work 100%. Is very effective. Okay, don't joke with it. If you are ready to grow your hair, if you are ready to grow your hair that thick, do not joke with this rice water. Okay. So please, if you are not joined this beautiful family up to this point, what are you waiting for? Please click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, please make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Believe me, you will never regret being part of this family, okay? Yes, and welcome to the family. Thank you so much for joining, okay? So please, if you have not liked this video, please help me to click on that like button. It really helped me a lot. It really encouraged me, and also help the growth of the channel. Lastly, please share this video to your family and friends, so that they will get the good news on today's video. So guys, I have come to end of today's video. If there's anything I did not cover up on this video, please let me know in comment section below, okay? I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.